Especially, I heartily welcome professors of today's function. Professor Ravi Prasad Garu and Professor Kotesh Garu and other dignitaries on the dais and the half the dais. At the same time, I wish all the students and research scholars, experts in the subjects, and other dignitaries also. It gives me immense pleasure to be with you all today on this national seminar, which is going to be organized by this college. Really, it is a very good program with the title Perspective in Conservation and Management on Biodiversity. See, biodiversity, it depends on we all depend on the life on Earth. So from the air we breathe and the food that we eat. So every human being is depending on the rich and variety of the plants and animals and microorganisms that are present in the planet with us. Especially, see, our country, especially the regions like Western Ghat and the Eastern Himalayas are very much blessed with the extraordinary globally and biodiversity wealth. So, this biodiversity wealth is going to degradation due to climate change and pollution and unsustainable development. So there are certain warnings are raised especially in the global conventions on the biodiversity concepts. So that means this biodiversity is to be protected, and at the same time, this biodiversity is no longer optional, but it is essential in order to conduct this type of a national programs on the biodiversity. So this platform on biodiversity gives a lot of information to the scientists and scholars and participants here. So, in this lecture, one can share your ideas and exchange your research findings, and with that, you can share the same knowledge with your students. So that's why I request all the participants who are going to stay here for 2 days, be mingled with the professors in order to clarify your thoughts. So, see, conservation of a biological diversity is not only to protect the species, it is useful for the livelihood and preserving nature heritage for the future generation also. So that's why we must organize this kind of programs for our better future. So on this occasion, I once again heartily welcome to all the participants, and at the same time I formally inaugurate this national seminar on biodiversity. So with this, I conclude my speech. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for saying Western Ghats are hot.